Hi. It's time to talk about food and drinks. I want. I don't want. I eat. I don't eat. I drink. I don't drink. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat. Let's drink. Can I have? Examples. I want fruits. I don't want chocolate. I eat vegetables. I don't eat eggs. I drink water. I don't drink soda. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat snacks. Let's drink milkshake. Can I have cake?
I want meat. I don't want marshmallows. I eat noodles. I don't eat pork. I drink juice. I don't drink coffee. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat breakfast. Let's drink tea. Can I have a salad?
Conversations.
What food do you want?
I want a hamburger. What about you?
I don't want a hamburger. I want cookies.
What food do you eat? I eat meat, vegetables, fruits, and pasta. I don't eat onions. What do you drink? I drink water, juice, smoothies, and milkshakes. I don't drink soda.
Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. I want a banana. And you? I'm hungry too. I want spaghetti. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. I want strawberry juice.
I am hungry. Let's eat lunch.
Yes. Can I have a sandwich?
Okay. I want a sandwich, too. What about drinks?
Let's drink water.
Okay. Your turn. I want. I don't want. I eat. I don't eat. I drink. I don't drink. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat. Let's drink. Can I have? Good job. Bye.